Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about action that happen where in past actions. So yes, she is giving me the examples and affirmative examples and structure. So I gave a structure and example of past continuous tense. So let's start. Subject plus was where plus verb का first form plus ing plus object. This is the structure of past continuous tense. We use you, we, they, you use were, and he, she, it, you use was. Right. Okay, so I give a three example of past continuous tense. So let's start. She was eating food. They were watching TV. I was cooking food. He was playing cricket. That's the example of past continuous tense. Action happening at a specific time in the past, that is called past continuous tense. Okay, so give me the one, two examples of negative sentence. Okay. Was she cooking food? Is it interrogative like? Okay, tell me the interrogative examples of past continuous tense. No worries. Were they playing cricket? And were we going to market? Yeah, this is the right way. And we put subject was were not in negative form. Right? Yeah, right here. Okay, so in this way you will practice your past continuous tense, and don't judge me because we are a learner. We did so many mistakes while presenting tense because now we are practicing. No worries. So in this way you will practice your past continuous tense. Bye bye.